How to optimize procurement using AI. Hello everyone. In this presentation, I will be discussing how you can create a procurement department using AI tools. AI has revolutionized the way businesses operate, and it's no different when it comes to managing procurement functions. By leveraging AI tools, you can streamline the process, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. First, let's talk about automating the bidding process. AI-powered tools can analyze market trends, compare costs, and generate competitive quotes in real time. This helps you stay ahead of the competition and secure the best prices for your organization. Next, let's consider AI-powered requisitioning. Requisitions are requests for goods or services, often initiated by procurement teams. By incorporating AI into this process, you can automate the creation of requisitions, ensuring that they are accurate, up to date, and that all relevant parties are aware of the request. Another powerful aspect of AI in procurement is the ability to perform risk assessments. By analyzing data such as purchase history, payment patterns, and product catalogs, AI can identify potential risks and suggest mitigation strategies. This helps you avoid financial losses and ensure the safety of your organization's supply chain. Finally, let's not forget about AI-powered compliance management. Today's procurement departments must adhere to strict regulations and guidelines, such as those related to data privacy and security. AI can help you stay on top of these requirements by continuously monitoring your organization's compliance status and providing alerts when necessary. In conclusion, by leveraging AI tools, you can create a highly efficient and effective procurement department. From automating the bidding process to ensuring compliance with regulations, AI can help you take your procurement function to the next level.